Cast stone has proven to be a great alternative to natural stone and to other natural building stones because of its strength, affordability, and the infinite possibilities of design, made to complement any design style. To get started on installing your mantel, first ensure you have the materials needed. A grinder with a diamond blade, measuring supplies, construction adhesive, a drill, galvanized screws, and painter's tape will assist you in your installation. When unboxing your mantel, ensure you lay it on a flat, dry surface to prevent any damage that can occur while you prepare to begin on your installation. Here, we generously apply construction adhesive to the bottom of a hearth platform, carefully laying it into the desired position and pressing firmly to set the platform into place. To cut your filler panels, we recommend that you use a grinder with a diamond blade. Do not use a wet saw as it may damage the product. Our standard filler panel kit comes with 3 pieces, 1 for the top of your fireplace and 2 for the sides. Cut the 2 smaller pieces to the height of the fireplace. The larger piece is the header. Our products are approved as a non-combustible material. This allows us to bring the filler panels to the edge of the fireplace opening. Be sure to drill pilot holes into the 2 corners of your filler panels that will be furthest from the fireplace opening. Notice how our installers leave some space between the corner of the filler panel and the pilot holes. Then generously apply construction adhesive to the back of your filler panel and carefully press it into position. Once in place, use your drill and galvanized screws to screw the piece into place against the wall. Once your filler panels are installed, it's time to move on to your mantel. In this tutorial, we are installing our picture frame model 4113.8 in a natural open cast. Apply construction adhesive to the back of your mantel where it will meet the wall. Then carefully position and press your mantel into place, overlapping your filler panels. Drill pilot holes along the back of your mantel down and at an angle, cleaning up any debris as you go. Once the pilot hole is complete, use a larger bit to countersink. Then reinforce your mantel by anchoring it into the wall with your galvanized screws. To fill in the screw holes, we provide a filler mix in our packaging. This mixture comes in 2 pieces, a liquid mix and a powder. Mix a few ounces of the liquid with the powder mix to a peanut butter-like consistency. This mix will come in the same finish as the mantel. Using a knife or a spatula, fill in the holes to a smooth finish. If required, once the putty is dried, it may be sanded down. Use painter's tape to outline the seams of the mantel. This will aid in providing a clean finish. Using the same mix you used for the screw holes, fill in the seams of the mantel and smoothen out. Once this step is completed, remove the painter's tape. The putty dries quickly, so you will want to remove the painter's tape shortly after. Now that you have been shown just how easy it is to install a drachmy cast stone mantel, we would like to note that all of our mantels are made to order and will require 30 days to cure before introducing it to the heat of your fireplace. Remember, we are here to help and offer our expert advice. May you require further assistance. Happy installing, and thank you for tuning in.